I know. You guys are thinking, what did the JDM guy do? He bought himself a German car, a BMW E36. You know what? Goes back to Fast and Furious. But Dom would ask,
What the hell is this? What do you got there?
and in his response,
This is your car.
My car? I said a 10-second car, not a 10-minute car.
You could push this across the finish line or tow it.
Paul would come with the response of,
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
yep. With that said, Jesse would immediately say,
2JZ engine, no shit.
And what did I tell you?
that's correct, boys and girls. 2JZ engine, no shit. So, what did I do? I bought myself a BMW E36 2JZ. Yeah, it's a German car with a Japanese heart, so it's partly JDM. It did catch a little fire, as you can see, but nothing too serious. Just the plastics and the wires burnt out. What did I buy the car for? You want to know? Well, I bought the car because I am going to be taking everything out and selling everything as individual items, because it's got very nice items on it. 2JZ GTE VVT motor. It's got headwork, cams have been done, brand new pistons. They're original pistons, but they are brand new. Rods, bearings, ARP bolts, you know, the goodness. It has a fairly large precision 6766 on it, mated to a beautiful custom branch twin scroll into the exhaust housing, and it has two precision 38 or 40 mil gates regulating the boost. With that said, it's got a custom intake manifold built from scratch, has 1600cc injectors. It's got a lot of the goodness. This car at 1.4 bar boost on a 50-50 mix made 450 kilowatts, which when you drive it, it is deadly, it is brutal. It is a very fast car, and it's in the right body. It has Megan Racing coilovers. It's got these wheels on it, the 18-inch wheels. I can't remember what the wheel brand is. I think they are Braytons or Braytons or something like that, but they're very nice wheels. They're very sought after in the BMW community. Why did I buy the car? So I'm going to strip it. I'm probably going to sell the car as a complete rolling shell. I'm going to take all the drivetrain stuff out of the car. So this is going to be like a perfect car for anybody that wants to actually get into drifting or track racing, because it's got the suspension setup, it's got the wheels, it's got a full cage in it. Let me actually open this up and show you guys the full cage. It's got a full cage, and that's a really serious cage if you ask me. Yeah, nobody can sit in the back unless you kind of squeeze, but I wouldn't advise it. New seats, were brought in from Germany, new door cards. I know it's not racing seats or racing stuff, but you know, some people appreciate this. Like I said, it did catch a little bit of fire, which is not the end of the world, you know, just a little bit of paint. It's literally just this door, a little bit of that fender, that front fender, and then that's it. Polish done. You can see the bonnet didn't even catch much heat. It's got the nice blow off valves, it's got a custom strut brace, it's got 4-part calipers, and then it's got a lot of good things. There's the 4-piston calipers over there. So yeah, I also got M3 mirrors. Aerodynamics are important. M3 body kit, front to rear. It's a good looking car, man. It was just recently sprayed pearl white. So it's a unique color on top of everything. So anybody who is interested in buying any of the items for the car, the 2J engine is going to be sold, the turbo is going to be sold, the branch and the turbo hopefully going to get sold together. The intake, you know, I'm thinking of keeping the drivetrain for my E30, because I was going to put the 2J into the E30, but man, I just want to recoup money that I spent on getting the car. So anybody, or you know anyone, you know any friends that want anything, there's a complete car, a rolling shell with 2J stuff, let me know, comments below, let me know what you think of my build. And I've got the courier guy here to come pick up my diff, because that's going to Cape Town to get done.
He owns you now.